An American Political Science Association report reached a stark conclusion. Ordinary Americans speak in a whisper, while the most advantaged roar. In a democracy where every citizen has one vote, how does this happen? In the United States, the country of individualism par excellence, there is a sharp distinction in people's minds between their own personal lives and national life. Most Americans, under most conditions, expect to solve their problems on their own rather than through political action. Political participation is valued, but private pursuits come first. Paradoxically, lower-income Americans have the greatest need for government help, but are the least likely to engage in political action. Less education, less transportation, less stable housing, and less understanding of how to get involved all reduce their participation. Americans at the low end of the income ladder are a third less likely to be registered to vote than those at the high end. The consequences are direct. Researchers Martin Gillens and Benjamin Page examined 1,800 policy issues and found that economic elites and organized business interests have far more influence on policy outcomes than the general public. Elected officials are far more responsive to wealthier constituents. The participation gap translates directly into a responsiveness gap. This does not mean low-income citizens have no power. It means that individual participation is only one piece of the larger puzzle of how power is distributed. Community organization, political movements, and civic associations allow lower-income Americans to amplify their collective voice when they use them. Chapter 7's lesson is ultimately about what is possible when citizens engage. A city council is voting Tuesday on whether to close the only public clinic serving 12,000 low-income residents. The meeting is open to the public. Based on what you now know about the participation gap, who do you predict will show up, and whose voice will shape the final vote? Participation is not just a civic virtue. It is the mechanism by which power is distributed. What would it take to close that gap, in this neighborhood and in yours?